Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect an Arzopa portable monitor to your phone. If you are using a phone with a USB-C port, such as many Android devices or iPhone 15 and newer models, the process is very easy. Take a USB-C to USB-C cable and connect one end to your phone and the other end to the Type-C data port on the Arzopa monitor. After that, plug the monitor into a power source using its power cable or a wall adapter or power bank. Once both connections are done, the screen should turn on automatically and mirror your phone display. If nothing appears, open your phone settings and look for options like USB video output or desktop mode and enable it. For iPhones with a Lightning port, such as iPhone 14 or older models, a direct connection is not possible, so an adapter is required. Plug the Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter into your iPhone first. Then connect a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, where the HDMI side goes into the adapter and the mini HDMI side connects to the Arzopa monitor. Next, make sure the monitor is powered using its USB-C power cable connected to a charger or power bank. After everything is connected properly, the display should appear on the monitor. Thanks for watching.